Hey, what's up? Brent from Brinspeed. Thanks for watching Brinspeed TV. Check it out. Awesome. 12 GT500 came in bone stock, 22,000 miles. Simply installed the VMP Supercharger, throttle body, cold air. We're going to go down, take a look. Don't worry about that. Laying down almost 700 roll horsepower. We're going to talk all about it and how we got there. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us if today. I have Doug with me. Doug, let's go down and check it out. All right, if you watch my videos, a lot of you know I love GT350s, but I also love the GT500. Super easy way at the factory supercharger, upper and lower pulley, cold air, easy, over 500 roll horsepower. But today we installed the VMP throttle body, the GT air induction system, and that's it. Hit almost 700. We are going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to talk more about it. We are using the 3-inch pulley on the VMP today. But in that description, I will put a link to the supercharger. You can click on it, see the price, read a lot more about it. And of course, you email quote@brinspeed.com to say, hey, what's it cost to get my GT500 built? But right now, check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers, and then we're gonna go look at the supercharger. Dynojet SAE, 693 roll horsepower, almost 6,500 RPM. Torque came in awesome, 590 at 4,000 RPM. And check this out, wide open, 3,000, we're over 550, and boom, all the way across the board. By simply installing the VMP upgraded supercharger on the sweet 22,000 mile 2012 GT500. I love this car. Doug, come up here, take a look. Like I said, you have a stock blower on there, you can make really good power with it. But you want to get over that 600 mark, this is so easy. The VMP blower, VMP throttle body, GT air induction system, factory exhaust on this, and we are still running the factory fuel injectors, the factory fuel pump, which they are at their limits. So if this particular client right here decides he wants to go a little bit more, which is possible, we're definitely going to upgrade the fuel system. So I'm Brent from Brinspeed. Couple things. Remember, email quote@brinspeed.com. Say, what's it cost to get built? Check that description. And as always, leave a comment. And hey, subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Watch cool videos like this. Thanks for watching.